You walk into a coffee shop wearing nothing but a pair of glasses. Seconds later, a massive workspace appears in front of your eyes. Multiple monitors, your emails, your spreadsheets, your video call. To everyone else, you're just staring into space. The crazy part? This isn't the future anymore. There are already 5 smart glasses that can replace the biggest reason you still carry a laptop. And by the end of this video, you'll know which one deserves a spot in your bag. Imagine this. You're stuck in a crowded airport, wedged between strangers, trying to balance a coffee on your knee. No real space for a laptop, let alone a full-on work setup. Usually you'd just give up and scroll your phone until boarding. Not this time. Instead, you reach into your bag and pull out just a pair of glasses. You slip them on, and suddenly you're looking at a massive virtual monitor floating right in front of you. Then 2, then 3. Now your email lives on one screen, your presentation's on another, and you've got a reference video going while a dock sits open on the side. But for you, now you're running a whole workstation. That's the vision XREAL wants with the XREAL One Pro, a pair of glasses that get closer than anything else to making your laptop screen optional. A lot of that comes down to its optical system. XREAL uses Sony micro-OLED displays and their latest flat prism optics to project a bright, insanely sharp super screen right in your line of sight. Spreadsheets, videos, endless tabs, it all looks natural, and honestly a lot more comfortable than cramming everything onto a tiny laptop display, and nobody else can see a thing. But it's not just about big screens. XREAL went one step further. The glasses don't just follow your head movements. With spatial tracking, the screen actually stays pinned in the air exactly where you leave it. And these glasses aren't locked down. Plug them into your laptop, phone, or handheld gaming device, and you've got an instant, portable monitor. Email, video meetings, editing slides, it works across the board. The experience starts feeling a lot more like sitting at your desk than fumbling on a little screen. Work done? Flip over to movies or games. Now that floating monitor turns into your own private theater. You get giant visuals for Netflix binges or gaming, and even YouTube looks bigger than life, all without hauling a portable projector or spare monitor. Okay, it's not a full-on laptop replacement. The glasses still need something else to do the computing. For most remote work, the real bottleneck isn't horsepower, it's screen space. The One Pro solves that problem. No extra monitors, no fussy setups. Toss them in a slim case and you've got a workstation that appears in seconds and disappears when you want. That's why these don't feel like just another pair of AR glasses. They feel like a sneak peek at where mobile computing actually goes. The future might not be about buying heavier laptops. Maybe you just need a better pair of glasses. We all expect computers to just keep getting thinner or faster, but still basically be the same old laptop. VITURE didn't follow that script. Instead, they took a big step back and asked, why lug a laptop around at all? What if your screen could just show up wherever you go? That's the promise behind the VITURE Luma Ultra XR. At first glance, these just look like a regular pair of glasses, not some over-the-top headset that makes you look like you're prepping for warp speed. You can actually toss them in your bag without a second thought. Wear them for hours and you'll barely notice. But the truly wild part is how much computer they managed to pack into this little package. When you power them up, the first thing that hits you is how much space you suddenly have to work with. Instead of being boxed in by a 14-inch rectangle, it feels like you're staring at this massive floating monitor, something people spend thousands on for their home office, except it's now following you everywhere. On a flight, your tray table stays free. In a cafe, there's no giant monitor taking over the space. Stuck in a hotel? No need to wrestle with their TV and a mess of cables. Just put the glasses on and there it is. Your workspace, ready to go. There's real magic in that. The picture quality helps seal the deal. The Luma Ultra XR uses micro-OLED panels, so things look sharp, colors pop, blacks are deep, and text is crisp even if you're juggling tons of windows. Read for hours, edit slides, or binge videos, everything feels natural, and honestly, it can look better than a lot of fancy laptops because every pixel sits right in front of your eyes. Then, there's what really sets these apart. Spatial computing. Instead of shuffling apps around like you would on a laptop, you can drop screens anywhere you want. Have your email to the left, browser ahead, Slack or Teams on the right, spreadsheet under your main view, all lined up just how you like. It's like building your own office out of thin air. Once you get used to this, old-school single laptop screens suddenly feel pretty cramped. But these aren't just for productivity junkies. VITURE gets that most of us swap between work and play all day long. The same huge space for spreadsheets turns into a private theater at night. Movies feel epic, games pull you right in, and streaming stuff actually feels cinematic whether you're on a plane or in bed. Compatibility's another win here. The Luma Ultra XR doesn't box you in. You can hook it up to Windows PCs, Macs, Android phones, gaming handhelds, even certain iPhones and game consoles. Switching between all those is actually easy, which makes life a whole lot smoother for anyone who bounces between different devices all day. If you've ever worn a clunky headset, you know how annoying pressure points, heat, or neck strain can get. VITURE clearly paid attention, keeping these glasses lightweight and balancing them well so you can actually wear them for long stretches without feeling like you've just finished a gym session. Getting around inside the system is surprisingly easy too. You're not forced to use weird alien controllers. You can interact using accessories, paired devices, or whatever's most natural for your workflow. It feels a lot more like using a regular desktop than some futuristic toy. And then there's privacy, the part nobody talks about, but everyone needs, and all they see is someone in glasses, and that's it. No more awkwardly shielding your screen when someone walks by. Of course, it's not the end of laptops for everyone. If you do a ton of color-sensitive creative work, need weird niche software, the big deal isn't that these glasses completely wipe out laptops. It's that they're good enough to make a lot of us rethink why we drag one around in the first place. When your whole office fits in your glasses, carrying a laptop starts to feel a little old-fashioned. And believe it or not, the next device on this list stretches the idea even further. Maybe the real future of work won't even need a desk. Quick pause. If you're enjoying the video so far, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more breakdowns of the coolest gadgets changing the future of tech. Think about what actually makes a laptop a laptop. The keyboard? You can swap that for something better. The trackpad? No one's attached to those. The processor? Phones these days go head-to-head with plenty of laptops. But the screen? That's a different story. You need it. You can't just swap it for something in your bag. That's where the RayNeo Air 3S steps in. Instead of lugging around a 14-inch display, you slip on these glasses, and suddenly it feels like you're working with a massive monitor floating right in front of your face. It's almost like setting up a desktop workstation anywhere, on a plane, in a coffee shop, jammed into a train row. Honestly, after a few hours with this setup, a regular laptop screen feels almost claustrophobic. What's refreshing about the Air 3S? It doesn't get lost in flashy AR tricks. It just focuses on what matters, a huge, sharp display you can use anywhere. Sony's micro-OLED panels handle the visuals, so each eye gets a bright, vibrant, full HD image. Colors are punchy. Blacks are deep. Contrast is spot on. Sure, movies look gorgeous, but it's everyday work that really benefits. Text is crisp and clear. Massive spreadsheets make sense again. Juggling browser tabs or editing video? There's space for everything. Early display glasses often looked washed out or felt dim after a while. Not here. The Air 3S stays sharp and comfortable even during endless work sessions. Scrolling around just feels smooth thanks to its high refresh rate. It's the kind of detail that makes grinding through a long project actually enjoyable. Privacy's another big win. People next to you, they can't peek at your screen, so if you're editing private docs, replying to confidential emails, or just going through sensitive stuff, only you get to see what's going on. Your workspace travels with you and stays yours, and comfort used to be a struggle with these kinds of glasses, but RayNeo's reworked the frame to spread out the weight. No more sore nose, no more pinched ears. You actually forget you're wearing them, which is essential if you're in it for a full workday. The speakers got an upgrade too. The new open-ear system points sound right at you, so calls are clear, movies sound immersive, and your coworkers don't get stuck listening to your playlist bleeding into the room. Plug the Air 3S into a laptop, gaming handheld, or phone and your screen just grows instantly. These things turn a Steam Deck, ROG Ally, or a USB-C phone into a full-on workstation. Plenty of people with Samsung DeX phones plug in a Bluetooth keyboard and mouse, and suddenly their phone runs like a mini desktop. Writing, editing, emailing, handling spreadsheets, even Zoom meetings, no problem. And if you grab the Pocket TV accessory, you don't even need another device. You get an Android TV-powered environment right in your glasses. The line between monitor and computer just keeps fading. Staring at screens for hours? RayNeo thought of that too. They built in blue light blockers and anti-flicker tech so your eyes don't hate you after a marathon session. No, it's not perfect. This isn't a futuristic AR room full of floating apps. It's a really smart display. And yeah, you still need something to power it. The Air 3S doesn't replace your computer, just your monitor. But that's actually what most people want. Your laptop shrinks. Maybe it vanishes. Your phone becomes your PC, the glasses become your screen. Suddenly, the whole office fits in your jacket pocket. This is how wearable tech sneaks in, not all at once, but piece by piece. One day, you'll head out and realize the laptop stayed home. Turns out, You didn't really need it after all. Rokid Max 2. Picture this. You're on a crowded flight trying to open your laptop. The passenger next to you keeps leaning into your space, the tray table nearly buckles under your computer, and every time someone walks past, your screen shakes. Now forget all that. Just leave the laptop in your bag and slip on a pair of glasses. Suddenly, you've got a huge display hovering right in front of your eyes, and nobody knows you're working. Your emails, browser, and even multiple open windows are all right there. It feels like sitting in front of a massive desktop monitor, but everyone around you has no clue. That's really the magic of the Rokid Max 2. Instead of building a more powerful computer, Rokid went after the real bottleneck, your screen. And honestly, that single change flips portable computing on its head. Rokid Max 2 takes everything people liked about the first generation and just makes it better, especially the screen. You put on the glasses and it's like sitting in front of a monitor that's 200 inches or more, depending on where you're sitting. It's hard to get until you see it yourself. The visuals are just as impressive. Dual Sony micro-OLED displays give each eye a sharp full HD image, rich contrast, and colors that pop. Blacks look deep enough for movies and text stays crisp even if you're writing for hours. In fact, after a few minutes, the screen starts to feel surprisingly natural. You just work. Brightness matters too. Rokid Max 2 gets bright enough that you can work in sunlight, a cafe, or just about anywhere, and the colors stay on point. You're not stuck at your desk. You can be in an airport, a coffee shop, a hotel room, it doesn't matter. One thing that stands out to people fast is the privacy. Nobody around you knows what you're doing. They just see you wearing glasses. Sensitive documents, confidential emails, client decks, nobody can peek. Comfort wasn't an afterthought either. These glasses are light with a frame designed for long sessions. Adjustable nose pads and better balance mean you don't feel pinched or weighed down during hours of use. That's important because these aren't for a quick demo. They're for real work. Audio got an upgrade too. You get directional speakers that sound fuller than you'd expect, but still let in enough ambient noise so you're not totally cut off. Calls are clear, movies sound rich, and for music, you might skip earbuds altogether. If things get noisy, connect Bluetooth earbuds for privacy. But the real fun is how much you can do with them. Plug them into a Windows laptop, MacBook, portable gaming device, tablet, or a USB-C smartphone, and instantly your screen grows. If you use a Samsung phone with DeX, your phone becomes your computer and the Rokid Max 2 turns into your monitor. And long flights? Skip the tiny overhead seatback displays. With these, it feels like you have a home theater all to yourself. Now, just to be clear, these aren't standalone computers. Rokid Max 2 doesn't replace your processor or run Windows natively. It's not trying to be a laptop. Instead, it replaces your display. And for a lot of us, the little screen has always been the real limit on how productive we can be outside the office. Rokid Max 2 isn't trying to make your laptop obsolete. It's just asking if your laptop is really just a screen you're lugging around. Why bother bringing it at all? Let's face it, working away from your desk usually means making do with less. Tiny laptop screens, nowhere to set up a second monitor, and way too much flipping between windows. Sound familiar? Lenovo's ThinkReality A3 wants to put an end to all that. These aren't those smart glasses made to snap photos or chat with an AI. They're meant for one thing, to turn wherever you are into a multi-monitor workstation. Once you see how they work, you get why companies are snapping them up. Lenovo's high-res displays create those big, crisp monitors right in your line of sight. Everything looks clear. Documents, data, slide decks, you name it. Multitaskers finally have the workspace they need. No more hiding apps, no more endless alt-tabbing. It actually changes how you work. Here's what really sets the A3 apart: spatial tracking. Your virtual screens don't drift off or get lost. You set your browser to the left, it stays there, even when you turn your head. Fire up a presentation to the right, it waits for you. It pretty much feels like sitting in front of a wall of monitors. That rock-solid placement, more than any flashy feature, is why you'll spot these in engineering firms, hospitals, factories. Anywhere getting work done matters more than looking cool. The A3 connects to Windows PCs and compatible Motorola smartphones, turning them into portable workstations instantly. Plug in, put on the glasses, and watch your workspace expand. No extra screens, no docking station, no mess of wires. Lenovo didn't forget comfort either. The A3 is light and adjustable enough for all-day use, and it can fit over most prescription glasses without a problem. Built-in speakers and mics mean you're covered for calls too, without fumbling for headphones. The A3 isn't another one-size-fits-all XR headset. It runs pro software, remote help tools, CAD apps, digital twins, 3D models, and more. Engineers get hands-on with virtual blueprints. For people who live and breathe with a multi-monitor setup, the ThinkReality A3 isn't about lugging a bigger laptop. It's about leaving the monitors behind and bringing your full workstation with you, no matter where you go. Laptops aren't disappearing overnight, but after seeing what these glasses can already do, it's clear where computing is headed. Bigger screens without the bulk, more freedom without sacrificing productivity. The only question is, which one would you actually replace your laptop with? Let me know in the comments, and I'll see you in the next one.